Hey everybody, today I'm going to explain why I use an oil dipstick cap cover instead of an oil dipstick. So what I mean is, here's the cap cover thing. It fits into the dipstick tube, and here's my oil dipstick. So now the dipstick is just a dedicated measuring, just a dedicated measuring device, whereas the cap is always in the engine bay, protecting the engine oil from dirt and everything like that, replacing the job of the dipstick. So, why did I make the change? Well, I was removing my air ducts on the car, and if you know, on the S500, the W220, the air duct is really close to the dipstick, and so I was pulling the air duct out, and I just used a little bit too much pressure, and that momentum carried as the air duct separated from the air box, and then it just kind of broke the dipstick handle. And if you guys all know, that handle's really fragile. I think Mercedes builds it out of like the same material that Lifesavers candy's made out of. I don't know, but it's really fragile, and so it broke. And that's when I thought, it might be better to replace it with something a little bit more sturdy. So that's why I ended up getting the cap, and it works great. So that's my recommendation. I just want to pass it on to you guys for all you S-Class owners out there. And you know, you can take the dipstick with you on long road trips. I highly recommend that. But if it's just day to day and you know that you're gonna change your oil in your garage and everything's gonna be controlled, like in a controlled environment, then definitely you can keep the dipstick in your garage and just use it to measure the oil. You can also measure the oil from the car using the steering wheel, so you do have options. But the best thing is to use the cap. I love it. It's great. So I hope that this helps, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.